Hey lovelies, sandraivyrose here. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are into DIYs, home decors, and more on a budget, please consider subscribing to my channel. For DIY number 1, we're going to be using this Dollar Tree vase, and we're going to be painting it a pink color, spray painting it actually, a pink color by Rust-Oleum. And I'm going to be taking this beautiful gold ribbon I got from Amazon, and we're going to put it the strips on the bottom of the vase to give it a nice design. Guys, please be sure to stay till the end so you can see how I display all the DIYs that I did today, the final look. And also I will be announcing the winner of our I Love My Subscribers giveaway, and I would like to thank you so much for being loyal subscribers to my channel. And now I'm going to be using that same gold ribbon, and I'm going to be applying a strip right on top of the vase. Okay, so after applying this, I'm going to put this aside, the vase, and then we're going to be working on the bottom part of this project. And what I did here was I got a mirrored home decor from Dollar Tree, and I spray painted it a wonderful gold color by Rust-Oleum. And then now once that's dry, I'm going to be applying these gems I got from Michaels. It's the pink like a pearly color gems, and I thought it would look cute for our design. Okay, now after applying all the gems, we're going to hot glue the vase onto the glass, just like so. And then once we finish that, I got this roll strip, a blingy wrap from Amazon, and we're going to be applying it to the middle part of the vase, just like so, to give it a nice blingy look. Okay guys, watch till the end and I'll see you how I display this. Now for DIY number 2, we're going to be constructing the base of our tray, like a little table. And what I did here, I got these wonderful candle holders from Dollar Tree, and I painted it that same gold color by Rust-Oleum. And I'm going to be using this diamond bling wrap I got from Amazon to give it, you know, I love the bling effect. And I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other candle holder. Next, I'm going to be taking this tray. I got it from Dollar Tree, and we're going to be spraying it the gold color to match our stand. And here we have it, and what we're going to be doing here is we're going to hot glue it, but you can use a permanent glue to reinforce the security of the tray. But for now, I'm just using the hot glue and put it onto that tray. You can measure it to make it as even as possible, but you know, I'm just eyeballing it and trying to get it as straight as I can. Okay, we're done with our stand for now, and stay tuned till the end. For DIY number 3, we're going to be using this love sign. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 2 paint, and I'm mixing it together to get the color that I need. And we're going to paint those. And also we're going to be using this ribbon I got from Walmart to apply to our love sign. So I did go ahead and cut some strips of the ribbon, and what we're going to do here, we're going to outline the V, and we're using hot glue to stick the ribbon to do the outline for our sign. Hey guys, I want to just check in on you guys and see how you guys doing. I hope you're doing great and you're taking care of yourself and staying safe and staying healthy in these trying times. Okay guys, if you are enjoying my content, please give me a thumbs up. It really helped my channel to grow and to provide insight and feedback that you are enjoying the content, so I could provide you guys with more of DIYs on a budget, high end, of course, with a little bling. But yes, so yes, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, I would love to have you here and be part of our family, so please consider subscribing. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Okay guys, we're still designing our love sign. I got this from Dollar Tree, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to split it apart and spray paint it the gold color, and then we're going to apply it to our sign by hot gluing it onto the little heart part from the love sign. So to help our heart stand, we're going to use tumbling towel blocks from Dollar Tree and glue it onto the sign like so. And then I went ahead and applied the rose gold sticker just like so. Okay, so this little piece I went ahead and spray painted the gold color, and I got it from Michael's. And we're going to apply that to the top part of our love sign, as you will see. But before then, we're going to go ahead and design it up a little bit. I got these little glass jars from Dollar Tree, and what we're going to do, we're going to stick it onto there like I've demonstrated with hot glue. And then once we have it glued down securely, we're going to be using the same rose gold color bling sticker that I got from Amazon and wrap it around there like that. And then to finish it off, we're going to use some embellishment. You can use whatever you like, but I had some like little greenery, and I'm going to be sticking those inside the little jar. Okay, so now it's time to hot glue it onto the sign. So to finish off the piece, we're going to apply the little greenery. Okay, moving on to DIY number 4. I got this from Dollar Tree, and what we're going to be doing here is we're going to use the Dollar Tree mirrors and hot glue it onto the base. Okay, for the top of the mirror, we're going to be using this little heart, wooden heart I got from Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and painted the mixed color, the mixed pink colors, and I'm going to put the rose gold bling wrap all around it, and then I'm going to cut off this napkin ring and stick it on there too. Remember, if you want a permanent hold, you could use a permanent glue like A6000. But for this project, we're just using hot glue for now. Hey guys, to make it more blingy, I'm going to apply the same rose gold stickers that I got from Amazon on each side of the mirror. And guys, I have other playlists on the channel. I currently have a Valentine playlist, so if you enjoy my content, please take a look at that one. And also I have my high-end craft playlist, DIY, so check it out. Okay guys, ready for the big reveal where I put everything together. Oh my goodness guys, this looks so high-end and so beautiful. And it was easy to make guys, right on a budget. Well, take a look at the display here and how I put everything together. I think it turned out beautiful. But let me know what you guys think. And which one was your favorite? The love sign, the jar with the table stand, or the little heart mirror piece? Guys, please be sure to watch till the end because I will be announcing the winner of I Love My Subscriber giveaway. And the winner, please email me so I can email you your Amazon gift card. Thank you all you guys for participating in the contest. There is more to come. Stay tuned to the channel. If you enjoy my content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you guys on the next video.